Yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so I've already told you a lot about crypto arbitrage, and today I'm about to do exchange to exchange arbitrage using the boats, the signal boats. Yeah, so one thing about crypto arbitrage that's very difficult to know is what is finding the opportunity. How am I able to find opportunity, and how will I make money from it? So this is what the signal boat does in order to clear that you're thinking like, yo bro, mean to me man, I can't do it and stuff. Yeah, so today I just scanned the boat to give me signal, and it gave me the signal. So I have two boats. I have the boat that trades for you. That one is for people who are busy and people who don't want to work manually. Yeah, but if you have the money and you want to trade manually, then the signal boat is for you. So I checked the signal boat, and the signal boat gave me this, that I should trade SVL. Today is Thursday, and it's 12:21, right? Yeah, 12:21. So it's midnight. Yeah. So over here you can see that the we have SVL over here. And if I go to the Bible too, you can see that when I search SVL, you see that we have, so you can read the overview and stuff here. You can see that we also have SVL over here. So over here, the SVL is for 0.0676, and here is 0.0194, and here is what 197. So it means that I'll be buying it over here and I'll be selling it over here. Yeah, so let's do this. We have a lot of things that you have to check before you do any arbitrage. That's why I'm saying that, like, at times you get a signals and still you'll be making losses. You need someone to guide you, someone to mentor you and teach you how to make more money. So if you need my mentorship, just chat me and let me put you through, and let me show you anything about arbitrage. I will teach you exchange to exchange arbitrage, bank to exchange arbitrage, P2P to bank. I'll teach you a lot of things here. So if I'm buying it over here, So let's say I'm buying $1,000. So we're getting 51,432. So if I come here to sell, sell the 5. So let me refresh it and see. Okay, so if I come to say the 535, right now it's what it's 54514. If I'm buying 514, okay, 514, 32 points 39. Yeah, so you can see that if I'm having 1,000 USDT, I'll be earning $15 per trade. On 1,000 USDT, I'll be earning $15 per trade. So you have to check, let's say, 4 things before you initiate the trade. You have to know how to buy a coin and how to sell a coin. We don't just buy it. We don't buy it on limit order or blah 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 blah. We don't do that. We have a way of buying a coin and a way of selling it. You can see that we have a lot of ways over here. So we have a way of buying a coin and a way of selling a coin if you are doing crypto arbitrage. So just make it clear. Yeah. And if I also come to if I also if I also come to here. So first thing I have to check and see whether the address are the same. That's the first thing that I'm telling you right now. After we have four things that you have to consider. So the first one is to check and see whether the address are the same. So if I come to the wallet here, I'll go to deposit on chain and I'll choose SVL. So you can see that SVL use Mantle, that's MNT network, Mantle network, right? Yeah. So let me also go to here and go to withdraw crypto, and let me search for SVL on chain network. You can see that it's also used Mantle network, and the fee is what 0.19, not even up to 0.5. So it means that like after every trade, you be still what cashing out. After every trade, you'll be still what cashing out, because after every trade you are making 15.78. So let's say you'll be using the 0.78 to pay your fee. You see, that means you are making $15 as what as profit on the $1,000. The reason why at times that's why when I'm teaching you crypto arbitrage, I have several strategies that like I will teach you. You see that thing? I have more than 7 strategies that I will teach you, and you can also testify to it that even if I'm doing my videos and it's not only one strategy that I use. You see, yeah. So this strategy at times it benefits people who has like a lot of capital. If you have a lot of capital, this strategy is good for you. You see that thing? If you have a lot of capital, this strategy is what is good for you, because you'll be making some cool profit from this. You'll be making some cool profit from this. You see that thing? So if you're watching me right now and you know all the 5 things that you have to consider before you do your exchange to exchange trade, that one you can use these signals to do it. You see that thing? Yeah. And people say that $10,000 and I'll be earning one like $15 profit. Don't just see it like this. Like $15 profit. Imagine you doing it more. You see that thing? Imagine you doing it more. How much are you earning? So don't just think about like, hey, like how much am I going to make? But you see that thing? Don't just think about that. Think about how long are you going to do it, and the longer that you're doing it, you can rebuild your capital and make more profit. You see, because like example, if you see signal like this, you can't use you can't use let's say $100 to trade. How much are you going to earn if I'm buying $100? Let me show you something. If I'm buying $100, I'm getting 5143. 5143, right? 5143. I'm earning $1.8. That means I'm earning what? Just $1 as profit. I'm making just $1 as profit. So if you can make $1, $1, that one is cool for you. You see that thing? Yeah, to rebuild your capital, that one is cool. Yeah. But if you have a high capital, actually to exchange, I can show you a lot of ways to make more money. You see that thing? Yeah, I can show you a lot of ways to make more money using the exchange to exchange. Yeah. So this for today. And if you also need the signal boats, you can chat me and I will give the signal boat to you. It's $60. But if you join this month's class is this coming Saturday. Yeah, I'll be giving the boats to you at $40. If you join this month's class, I'll be giving it out to you for $40. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and please don't forget to comment and share. I'm out.